Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about transaction support, properties of transactions, part of database management system course. In SQL, a transaction is a series of database operations that are treated as a single unit of work. Transactions are used to ensure the integrity of a database by either committing the changes made during the transaction or rolling back the changes if an error occurs. There are four properties of transactions known as ACID properties, which ensure that transactions are reliable and consistent. Atomicity. The property ensures that either all the operations in a transaction are completed or none of them are. If an error occurs during the transaction, the database is rolled back to its state before the transaction started. Consistency. This property ensures that a transaction leaves the database in a consistent state. If a transaction starts with the database in a consistent state, it will end with the database in a consistent state. Isolation. This property ensures that the operation in one transaction are isolated from the operations in another transaction. This means that the results of one transaction are not visible to other transactions until the transaction is committed. Durability. This property ensures that the changes made by a transaction are permanent and cannot be undone. Once a transaction is committed, the changes it has made to the database will not be lost, even if the database experiences a failure. It is important to understand the ACID properties of transactions to ensure that your database remains reliable and consistent, even in the face of errors or failures. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.